My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing this video, welcome. If you're new here, I'm Anita Mgiani, and please, in the name of you graduates, don't leave this channel without subscribing and joining this beautiful family. Please, to the listening service, thank you so much guys for your support. I really appreciate it. This is such a big this vlog. I'm here to explain to in this vlog because when I was in PE, kind of told teachers by extending they explained that okay, and is the day. That's why I tell this song because I'm a graduate. Yes, I'm a graduate. So yeah, guys, this all explain a lot into okay, first of all, it was like how ngemini graduation ndathanda igama ngalo mini iyakhawuleza so ndavuka I think it was around 5 friend wenze makeup i-graduation yam ngayingo-9 so friend fike ngo-8 yabo so ngoku ndabona ziwenza khona i-makeup so ndavuka ngo-5 nje ndaba late ngo-7 ndandisenza i-makeup nentloko ndalifumana ukuthiwa lo xa sindibuya sendileqile into yobana okay brother yam zizondithatha to esikolweni to the venue yonke into yenzeka fast and xa sendiphana I think I have few clips zayo yonke nto yenzeka pha xa sendiphana I was just enjoying the moment because then ndingakhona that is this me? Am I graduating? Angizwisisa kahle yonke lento. Is this really me? Yabo sendizinento kwi-moment and ndingayitholi chance yokwenza ii-videos and ndandiye ndithi kwifamily yam ayenza ii-videos enjoya yona ibe busy ivlogana nam. They don't even understand into ye-YouTube abebevlogga yonke laa nto yabo. So ndabomanje bandibaxelekisa ndizovlogga here and there ezindaweni ukwazi ukusela but I promise you ndizamile ukuthatha iindaba ezibalulekileyo. So yeah guys, before nivule vlog, before ningene kule video i-graduation ziniyazi into yobana sendiyi-graduate alumni why alumni Nelson Mandela University alumni funa ndiyotshintsha ku-Instagram sekulate futhi uma senditshintshile u-Instagram ba ndifake phaba NMU alumni. Ndisisifundiswa guys sikhakhamela angisafuna ukuthetha kakhulu ngisafuna ukukhuluma kakhulu nkosi yami senizofana nizibonele but ndizovala ngaleso into yobana dade nditekeleza namarena futhi I think this Namarena song mayibhekele kuzofuneka ndiqale ndivale ngaleyo bana kanti bendinguba izulu by usneeze yeah kanti bendingubani ndize ndithando kangaka lezulu guys. Oh baba ngiyabonga unalady mesithi baba ngiyabonga ngikona ndikuva mntasekhaya. So yeah guys, I hope and I know I know that you will enjoy the vlog. So yeah guys.
Right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller.
Oh, I'm so little Nana.
Asanda Mgwenyane. Lekhononolo Muketsi. Tebogo Morotoba.
Do things when you want me to, like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster, like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time seeing this face, welcome. I'm Auntie Mgwenyane, and please don't leave without subscribing and joining our beautiful family. To the next video, thank you so much guys for your support. I really appreciate it. And as I did here, just speaking it. Like what if it's somewhere and yeah. So yeah guys, I'm trying to it's Saturday, yeah, and I'm going out with my friend. Yes, I have friends in Joburg. I have friends and so lonely. I say miserable because I have friends. So yeah, I'm going out with my friend and I'm just because nayo indecisive. Mnandazi into mostly Joburg. Indecisive was a Rose Bank or a East Rand. Yeah. So what I'm going I'm here to open this vlog. Oh no, and the vlog and the because is our vlog graduation. Because if vlog graduation it's a bit I was so busy, but I'll explain it to give a vlog graduation and yeah. So it's about how beautiful I am. I'm wearing this dress. OTD has no money outside outside nabanye abantwana iweekend enkulu kakubi eJoburg le. So yeah, it's phofu ufana noba angizothi siyocelebrate mna because after ndiboyile kwindaba ye-graduation khange siye out nefriend yam yabo ngoku I think iyoba ngam. But yeah guys. Oh, I look so beautiful. Shem. Ilanga. I'm not sure but I will rock this dress because bindisicalele ngayo and angizotshintsha ingqondo zami ngenxa yayo mna. Yeah, it's so beautiful. I think asendiphandle. So yeah, I will take you guys with me so that nizobona iJoburg. Those abangayazi iJoburg zanthatha nizobona iJoburg, nizobona endaweni yakho. So yeah guys, man, yeah. Oh, and who's this now? Oh yeah, I'm glad you mean that say ready masiyanek. So yeah guys, this Kenzana is out to play. Girls out to play quick girl. Lapha ke weather eseJoburg is so gloomy kodwa ke boobies are out to play mntasekhaya. Even this dress is a bit short for i-weather. Mna engqondweni yami sesama andazotshintshela ukuyam because of i-weather. Weather temporary, i-pictures forever. So yina dalani ngilindile senfikile. Oh, as a graduate, oh konje ngilibala nje into engabekwana as isifundiswa. But oh, I'll take that black Becky yodumo le Becky black yasezara zokuphatha yona ke, and then dibela kill. I'll show you pictures. I pray the one pictures ziphume because outfit yam. But I have to carry a jacket with me because Anna. Okay, bye guys.
Ask me how we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep. While we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide. 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 If we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a creme brulee, what they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Whoa, honey, I need a big cage, man. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and case we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl, drop it, give me 50. You should slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss me. You gon' be close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the footplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the seats of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows.
Hi guys, kungona sibuya ke eRosebank bese Tasha's and ngilibela yathi shame food was 10 out of 10. Service ibe right nakhona 10 out of 10. Thank you, ngilibela. Yeah. I'm here to close this vlog. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit the notification button so that you can be notified whenever I post content. Bye for now.
What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide.